Hello friends, welcome back in another shiny afternoon. So this is really beautiful day. Now it's winter and the mist most of the days previous for 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, the whole day mist is covered the environment, and today is a different day from other days because today you can see the full light of sun. If I turn my camera there, okay, you can see. So that is why I come outside, and especially I have some reason for coming outside because today is my day off, and I plan to visit this place or this village, this part of beautiful area. And most weekend I normally come here to visit, and in this video I'd like to show you the beauty of this village. So let's watch. So now you can see the village. This is very beautiful village. It's the people of this area, they are continue different types of gardening here. So if I turn my camera here, you can see they're taking preparation for their upcoming project. They in 12 months, in 10 months they do different types of vegetable or different types of gardening here. Some of are full or some of are blank. They are just preparing their founding, and they're planning, and they're working according to their plan what they are going to plant. So actually this area is really beautiful. Most of the time I come here to spend sometimes. Okay, so that is why I thought I'll go outside and this bright morning. Okay, if I turn my camera, okay, it's really shiny day. And golden day, you can see, you can say a golden day because of the history of last 2 weeks. We are totally absent from sunlight, and it's good luck for all of the people of this area to have these types of shiny afternoon. So I'm just going down to watch you this gardening is a big area. You can see I just forgot to the how call this in English. I just forgot, but anyway, so this is a long area. Okay, you can see, and this side is not planted yet. They are just getting prepared. Okay, so this area is 11 months in 12 are busy. You can see this area to be as a busy place with gardening. So and most of my weekends I try to come here, this area, because I feel good and I feel fresh when I come in this area on the weekend, because this is fresh and neat and clean, very attractive and very open, very nice and natural, and very villagetic scenery. It's really mind-blowing. And if you come here, okay, then you'll be able to see the gardening, or what types of gardening have there in this area. There are various types of gardening people doing in 11 months, continuing gardening. So one by one they're doing their gardening. So this is very natural and fresh gardening, and people can take their fresh vegetable from this area, from this garden. So let's see this area in my front. Okay, two people are doing their action, how to prepare this land for upcoming project. Okay, so you can see children, they're playing on the road, and everybody is enjoying this bright afternoon. It's very welcoming for all of. That's why people are enjoying this time. So this moment, as the sun is going down, it may go down some moments later. So we're just gonna miss this beautiful moment. So friends, anyway, some other days I will be in with you in another video, in another situation, another topic, and I'll try to share another block of video, and there I will talk about different types of topics. Okay, actually I love to speak English, and at the same time I want to encourage the people. That is why the purpose of my making video is to encourage people, and that's it. So live well from that time. See you. Assalamualaikum.